Maintenance man here at Mr. Dog Poop Studios. Today, we're excited about work gloves. We've got chemical gloves, leather work gloves, more leather work gloves, leather welding gloves, chemical gloves for dissolving bodies in acid. We've got grippy gloves. We've got rubber gloves. We've got TIG welding gloves. Which is the best glove to use? If you watched our channels, you know Mr. Dog Poop sends us all over the country picking up crap. Sometimes it's heavy metal cabinets, sometimes it's wood or other garbage, but our hands are always getting abused. So I got these gloves from Uline. They came free with some stuff we bought from Uline, and I fell in love with them. They're grippy, they're nice, they're padded, they're really, really nice gloves, but they're a little bit hot in Florida. My hands are getting sweaty, they're starting to get worn out, and I thought maybe I should order some new gloves. So I went on Uline. They're $65 a dozen, plus shipping, plus tax. So I'm looking at spending $100 to get some work gloves. There's got to be something cheaper. So I went on Amazon. I bought these EVRID wear. Instead of paying $10 a pair for the Uline gloves, if we can get something just as good for $1.75. Now they're very thin in comparison. They're basically just a stocking with rubber, which for Florida, that's really nice. And look how bright colored it is so you don't cut your hand off with an axe or something. You can see where your hands are. Where just more camouflage. I think it's more for somebody else not to chop your hand off. So first impression, I mean, they really have a nice rubber grip, and they're open on the back so they breathe. I do like these for colder weather, but in the hot weather, you're just getting sweaty and there's really no way to clean them. And you don't want $10 after you sweat in them, throw them out. For $1.75, if I sweat in these, I'm pretty happy to throw them out. $1.75. That's almost as cheap as the rubber gloves. They definitely grip a beer, it's no problem. I don't have to put a lot of pressure on it. Even a wet bottle, they don't slip. Pretty nice. Leather work gloves are always nice, but you really have to struggle. And if you're picking up something metal and it's heavy, you don't have a grip. This slides right through. So unless you're under it, these don't really work. And if you're raking leaves, these just slide across the rake. So they don't really work too well. These are really good. I would recommend these if you're dissolving bodies in your bathtub. If you just want regular chemical gloves for cleaning your bathroom or something, those are good. But we're here today to try out these Amazon gloves. Let's go outside and check them out. These could be extremely helpful in trying to pick up wild animals. Oh. Are you a wild animal? Whoa! Are you a wild animal? You calm now? These gloves have protected me from you. He does not want to be on camera. So we do get a lot of pallets in here. We get a lot of stuff on pallets. And we have to move them around all the time. Restack them, move them into different places. They work pretty good. These are a really nice heavy rubber. They grip nicely. I'm not getting any splinters if I rub my hands on here. Something else we're always doing besides drinking beer is building things out of metal. And we're always coming back here to the metal pile and pulling metal out. Looking for metal, trying to pull pipes out, trying to pull things out, sorting through stuff. We got sharp edges, we've got other things, so I don't have to worry about it. Now, they're not as padded as the Uline gloves, so they're not gonna keep your hand from getting crushed, but grip-wise and feel-wise, they feel really, really nice. So we have almost about 1.5 acres that we have to rake. And without gloves, typically you get blisters. I do anyway. Rake slides through your hands. This definitely, your hands will not slide, and they're not too hot, so it's actually really nice. Nice for raking. We also have to chop our own wood for campfires, so it feels really good on the axe. If we have big logs like this down here in Florida, we have to chop them. That's a nice grip. So here's a bar, solid steel. I think it weighs about 250 pounds. I'll put the actual weight up here, over here, over here. It's a bar for putting in fences. So if we need to chop down into the ground and then we want to pack the dirt in around the fence post, we use the other side. It is solid steel, it's heavy, you can slide through your hands, it's tough to use. You're using leather gloves, this thing's slipping through your hands. It's just, and you're squeezing tight to hold it. So these are a really, really nice option. I really like these. I'm really liking these. So if you're doing repairs like this thing, which has been hit by a few cars, and you gotta move around some concrete blocks, yeah, these are really, really, really nice. It's really nice having trees, these big trees around for shade, and they look beautiful when they're all greened out with leaves. But whenever the wind blows, we have crap like this coming down, and maintenance man is the one that always has to go and pick this stuff up. And you know, it's just not that easy to pick this stuff up with one hand holding a beer. So I've got to haul this stuff all the way to the dumpster and come back and pick up all these little pieces on the ground, rake this whole field. Oh my God, I'm exhausted just thinking about it. But I've got some new rubber gloves. They're really nice. $1.75. 10 pairs, under $20. Free shipping on Amazon. I found new work gloves.